What comes to mind when you think of a Mediterranean garden? Perhaps it's the warmth of sun-soaked terracotta tiles, the timeless charm of olive trees swaying gently in the breeze, or the invigorating scent of lavender on a summer evening. Imagine bringing that serene beauty into your own backyard. Even with limited space, the dream of a Mediterranean-inspired garden can become your reality with just a few thoughtful and creative choices. To start, think about the essence of Mediterranean design. It's all about balance, combining natural textures, earthy tones and practical features to create an inviting outdoor sanctuary. A small backyard offers the perfect canvas for this style because it thrives on simplicity and thoughtful curation. Begin by focusing on the layout. A Mediterranean garden isn't about rigid lines or overly structured designs. It's about creating a harmonious flow that invites relaxation. To achieve this, use natural stone or gravel pathways to guide the eye. Their rough texture paired with their neutral hues will evoke the rustic charm of Mediterranean villages. If you're working with a tighter budget, consider crushed limestone or pea gravel as cost-effective yet visually appealing alternatives. Next, let's talk about plants, the heart of any Mediterranean garden. Choose species that are not only visually stunning, but also practical for your climate. Drought-tolerant plants are a must, as they'll thrive even in hotter seasons with minimal care. Consider classics like rosemary, sage and thyme, which not only look beautiful, but also add a fragrant culinary touch to your space. For a pop of colour, think about vibrant bougainvillea climbing a trellis or bright geranium spilling over terracotta pots. And don't forget the elegance of olive or citrus trees. Even in a small backyard, dwarf varieties can provide that authentic Mediterranean feel without overwhelming the space. Now let's create some structure. One hallmark of Mediterranean gardens is the clever use of vertical space. A pergola can instantly elevate your backyard by adding dimension and a cosy sense of enclosure. Opt for materials like cedar or teak for a natural look, or go with a sleek aluminum design if you're aiming for something more modern. Draping vines like jasmine or wisteria over the pergola will not only enhance its beauty, but also provide shade, a practical feature for those hot summer days. And if a pergola isn't an option due to budget or space constraints, wall-mounted trellises can achieve a similar effect while saving precious square footage. Lighting is another essential element that often gets overlooked, but can completely transform your backyard. Think warm, ambient tones that mimic the golden glow of Mediterranean evenings. String lights are a versatile and affordable option. Drape them across your pergola, weave them through trees, or hang them along fences to create a magical atmosphere. Solar-powered lanterns or LED candles can add a soft, flickering touch that feels both romantic and timeless. No Mediterranean garden is complete without a spot to sit and savour the moment. Whether it's a simple bench tucked into a corner or a full dining setup, focus on pieces that blend comfort with character. Weather-resistant materials like wrought iron or teak are ideal for outdoor furniture, and cushions in earthy tones or subtle patterns will add warmth and coziness. To create a truly authentic vibe, consider incorporating mosaic tiled tabletops or handmade ceramic accents. These small details will not only enhance the aesthetic, but also tell a story, grounding your backyard in a sense of place. Water features, even in their simplest forms, can add a touch of tranquility to your Mediterranean garden. A small, recirculating fountain made of terracotta or stone can bring the soothing sound of running water without taking up too much room. The beauty of Mediterranean design lies in its ability to marry practicality with elegance, and that extends to its use of materials. If this vision has inspired you, take that first step. Start sketching out your ideas, exploring materials, and picking out plants that resonate with you. The transformation may take time, but every small step you take brings you closer to a space that's uniquely yours. And when it's complete, don't forget to take a moment to appreciate what you've created. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the garden itself. It's about the joy and serenity it brings into your life.